Ellen Nuckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly options alert. Before we get to your trade of the day, let's get your trader talk.
The way I look at it right now, this is a profit-taking pullback. We were down 1.5% on Monday. We gained back 1% yesterday, so it's just a bit of a pause for now.
You have just a few trades on right now, so let's talk about the next options expiration for you, which would be February, correct?
Right. Well, we don't have any February positions. Our options go up further because the volatility was very low. So we've got U.S. Steel for March. That's got 2 months of time. Corning, which is March as well. And then Mylan's an April option. That's 3 months of time. And if it can get above 22.5, then we're going to see a big boom in that stock. And it's looking good right now.
Okay, and your WPI trade trigger is?
NUGT. So I'm digging for some more dirt here like we had in December.
You did have this trade on.
In December, we sold way too soon. Way too soon. We made 50% very quickly, I think in a couple days, and 100% in another couple days, and it went straight up from there. But now it's come back down. Gold itself for the last 5 years traded between 1,100 and 1,400. So this breakout targets 1,700. So we've stabilized a bit here. So looking at NUGT, which is the gold miners ETF, it's been trading between 29 and 35 here recently. So that puts a solid support point here at 32. And in the bigger picture, it's trading between 25 and 45 for the last 5 months. So this 35 level is a pivot. We were just here recently. I'm looking at the $32 call for March 6th. Now it is a weekly option. It's a month and a half of time. I did a little calculation here. The March option would have been a little bit too expensive. So I'm going to buy the March 6th option, and I can go further deeper in the money. That's going to give me better payoff if we get some movement here in the next couple of weeks.
I like your strategy. Let's get your trading floor takeaways.
Big number. Super support is 3,200. We've got to keep an eye on that. That's the S&P support to keep an eye on a weekly basis. As long as we can hold that, things are still looking good. That's the old ceiling, so now it should act as a trading floor.
And number 2?
We saw a key reversal. So we saw the stock streak stop. We saw new highs last week on a weekly basis and a lower weekly close, so that was a sign of a pause. But we did continue to make new highs on a weekly basis. We just didn't hold them. As soon as we can make new highs again, as soon as that happens, it voids that key reversal top.
Beautiful. And number 3 on your list?
Not terrible, too.
Okay.
It's not terrible. Right now, we are less than 2% from the all-time forever highs in the major market indexes. So again, big news, big worries, big concerns, but small price movements. So it's not a big deal so far.
Love that. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.